Karthik, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Actually, yes. Can you resend that one? That homework part?
Yes, sir.
One second. Ah, I got it, got it. Now I got it. Yes. Yes. Now I checked it. Yes. You have sent me two messages, right? So I was looking into that one message only that I sent you the homework today, but I forgot to write the factors. The factors you have sent me separately, right? And attachment
Yes,
was
sir. My
through.
mother wasn't there in the home.
That's the. So use any one of them, okay? Whatever message, no, you use through mom only, then it will be better. Okay.
Okay,
Any
sir.
one message is fine. But see, you can send it here and there, but it advisable to send one of them. Okay. All right, Karthik, how are you? How is the things going
Fine,
on?
sir.
So you are able to cope up that maths and all, or you're finding difficult?
No, sir. They are going really slow, sir, to be honest.
You want to go fast?
And yes, sir, kind of. And our school is also going very slow, sir.
So it is good, no? So you want to go fast or you want to go slow? Your choice.
No, sir. Actually, this pace is good. I'm
Mhm.
just saying that our school is going slow.
It's okay. Let it be. See, we have 1 year, right? So don't worry about fast or slow. Whatever it is taught, whatever homework is given to you, make sure you work hard. Okay, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
All right. Which is your favorite subject, Karthik?
Sir, math and science, sir.
Maths and science both. Good. And which subject you don't like, Karthik? Please switch on the camera and keep it
Sir,
unmuted. Hello, Amma. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Namaste.
Namaste. Homework have you sent, Amma, or no? Not yet.
Sir, I'm reasoning, sir.
Okay. Were you able to do it? Actually, some 2, 3 questions out of 5 questions, 2, 3 was normal and 2, 3 was good question. Karthik, you can please unmute and keep the camera on. Karthik is not there. Akshat and Swati has not joined. Why these people are joining late? I'm telling always to join on time. Amma, can you please check once with them?
Yes, sir.
Acha, no, Swati has joined. Don't do it. I think he will also join. Akshat. Swati, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Please camera on कर लो.
Okay, sir.
Karthik, are you there? अरे वाह, स्वाति तो आज स्कॉलर लग रही, देखो ग्रेजुएशन डे होता है ना. ये कैसे आया स्वाति?
सर मैंने फिल्टर लगाया.
फिल्टर लगाया था. नहीं, अच्छा है, गुड. इट इज गुड. अक्षत कहाँ रह गया? Can somebody quickly check? I think he joining maybe.
Yes, sir. He's typing in the group, sir. I think
He is
so.
typing something in the group. I will join 5 minutes late. Okay, no problem. It's all right. So, okay, Swati will tell me what all things we have done till now, Swati.
Factorization.
मतलब इतना मैं 3 घंटे पढ़ाया हूँ, तुम्हारा एक लाइन फैक्टराइजेशन खत्म, एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर.
Sir, factorization, completing the square method,
Yes.
and how to like define equation.
Yes. See, what all things we have learned actually. First, we have learned if any equation is given to us, we should be able to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not, right? Correct. Next, what we have learned, if the equation is a quadratic, solve. See, please understand this wording. Many of the students get confused. They will just factorize it and they will leave it. No. Whenever we ask you to solve the equation, any equation, whether it is a linear equation or quadratic equation or cubic equation, solve means you have to finally find the value of x. Right, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
All right. So always remember, whenever the question says solve these equations by factorization method, it doesn't mean that you have to just factorize and leave it. You have to actually factorize and finally you have to solve. Solve means find the value of the variable that is x. Is that all right, Karthik? All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's what we have learned, how to solve any quadratic equation by factorization method. And then what we have learned if any equation is given to us, how to do it by completing the square method, right, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood completing the square method?
Yes, sir.
And please note, this method will not be taught in the school. This is not part of the syllabus in 10th right now. Earlier it was there, they removed it, but it is very important. 11th, it is going to be taught. So it is better if you have brief idea now itself, it will be helpful. So Swati, you have understood how to do by factorization method and completing the square method, both the methods?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in completing the square method, what is the most important thing we have to keep in mind? Matt, tell me what is the most important thing we have to keep in mind while solving any quadratic equation by completing the square method?
सर हमें
Sir,
adjustment करना है।
root plus or minus. Plus or
Plus
minus.
is okay. Most important thing before that, if the equation
Coefficient of x.
coefficient of, yes, very good. If the coefficient of x square is 1, well and good, your life is sorted. But if the coefficient of x square is something else, you have to take that number common throughout the equation, right? That is the first step, right, Karthik? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
So before you start solving any quadratic equation by completing the square method, just observe whether the coefficient of x square is 1 or not. If it is not, take common that coefficient throughout the equation. I hope you understand the meaning, Ame. What do you mean by the taking common throughout the equation?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. So we have learned two methods. So we will take two questions from both the methods, and today we will learn the third method. Okay, that is known as formula method. So before that, anybody has any doubt? Karthik, Swati, till now whatever we have done? Good, very good.
No, sir.
So let's go to the questions directly. So all these questions we have done. These word problems we will take. We have to take word problems as well. So these are all like checking whether these given equations are quadratic equations or not. Yes, this we have checked. We have checked this. We have done quadratic equation by factorization, 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 factorization. Yes, just do one question, all of them. All of you, please do it. 8x
Sir,
square.
which method?
Factor, it is clearly written, right? It is
Yes, sir.
clearly written. Do it properly, Swati. Do it slowly. After doing, check your working. Okay. There should not be any calculation mistake, especially with plus minus sign. It is factorization method. Amma, please do it.
Yes, sir.
Karthik, you can keep it unmuted. It is advisable. Is it done, Nama?
No, sir. Yes, sir, done.
All right, let's take another couple of minutes. Karthik and Swati will finish. In the meantime, you can check your working. Amma.
Yes, sir.
सर हो गया
Very good. Swati, अपना plus minus sign, please check. There should not be mistake.
Sir, done.
Very good. Tell me the answer, Swati.
सर x is equals to 3/4 and minus 7/2
X is equals to 3/4 and
minus 7/2
minus 7/2. All right. Karthik, you tell me the factorization, how you have done. 8x square is as it is. How will you split this middle term? Tell me.
सर मेरे को आंसर अलग आया है.
Okay, we will
sir,
check it
I
out.
think-
Okay, no problem, no
Yes.
problem. We will. Okay, relax, relax. There may be mistake. That's the reason we are checking, no? So tell me, what is the middle term you have split it, Karthik?
Sir, I splitted minus 28 plus 6x, sir.
Minus 28x plus 6x, right? Yes.
oh
And then minus 21 equals to 0. What you have done, Swati? Tell me yours.
सर मेरे को पता लग गया सर मैंने -28 +28 लिया था
क्यों लिए थे? भगवान
सर
जाने
मैंने वो
सके।
-22x नहीं देखा था
हाँ, तो एक पता है, एक टीचर ने बार बार बोला था तुम्हें कि प्लस माइनस चेक करो, प्लस माइनस। नहीं सर, हो गया है, कॉन्फिडेंट है। चेक करना है ना वर्किंग।
यस सर
All right, Akshat, you can please unmute yourself. This is the first question we have started, Akshat.
yes sir
All right. So now the most important thing is splitting the middle term. So do you have any doubts in this, Swati? Middle term splitting?
no sir
All right. Now after that, it is simple process. What we have to do from the first and second term, we have to take whatever is common, right? So I think 4x is common, right? So if you take 4x as common, you will get here 2x minus 7. And same way from the third and fourth term, you can take 3 as common. If you take 3 as common, you will get here 2x minus 7, and that is equals to 0. Now again, if you see here, this is 2x minus 7, this is 2x minus 7. So if you take common 2x minus 7 From the first term, what will you get? 4x. And from the second term, what will you get? Plus 3. And that is equals to 0. We have already learned when two factors are multiplied and if it is equals to 0, so each factor we have to equate equals to 0 to find the value of x. So we will take 2x minus 7 is equals to 0, or we can say that x is equals to 7 over 2. Same way from the second factor, you will get 4x plus 3 is equals to 0, or x is equals to minus 3 over 4. Have you got this answer, Amen?
Yes,
X is equal to 7 over 2 and minus 3 over 4.
yes, sir.
All right. What about you, Karthik?
Same, sir.
Have you understood your mistake, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Akshay, did you get the same answer? Sorry?
खत्म नहीं किया था
Keep it unmuted. ये नहीं किए थे क्या?
खत्म नहीं किया था
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं. तो एटलीस्ट अभी के लिए कॉपी कर लो. लेटर यू कैन प्रैक्टिस योरसेल्फ. ओके. We have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay. 8x square minus 22x minus 21 equals to 0, right?
सर जब सॉल्व आता है तब हमें रूट्स ढूंढना होता है
हाँ, सॉल्व. अब मैं तो बार बार यही बोला ना, सॉल्व करने का मतलब होता है कि फाइंड द रूट. मीन सॉल्व मतलब फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. ठीक है. सॉल्व मीनिंग इज ऑलवेज फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल इन्वॉल्व्ड. इज दैट ऑल राइट, अक्षर? ये याद रहेगा ना, सॉल्व करने
Yes,
का
sir.
मतलब होता है कि टू फाइंड द
Yes, sir.
वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल. ओके. All right, so let's take one more simple questions. Try everyone very carefully. Factorization method, okay? 6x square plus 40 is equals
Sir, I
to...
think you gave these questions, sir.
हाँ, without looking at your answers, you should do it again. Champion बनना है कि नहीं? बार बार करना है ना?
Yes, sir.
6x square plus 40 is equals to 31x. तुम लोग को इतना चैंपियन बनाना कि एक मार्क्स भी कटना नहीं चाहिए. Have you understood the meaning? Solve action, solve, find the roots. Meaning is same. Without looking up your previous work,
They're
do
done.
this question neatly. All right, let's everyone finishes it off.
They're done.
Yes, good. In the meantime, those who have finished, check your working, and others finish it off. After finishing, check your working, then tell me. Don't be in a hurry.
सर हो गया
पक्का? चेक कर लो स्वाति, प्लस माइनस साइन. You need help, Akshay?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
सर जो आप होमवर्क देते थे अभी मैंने कर लिया सारा 5 क्वेश्चन।
सारा कर लिए ना?
यस सर अभी कर लिया।
गुड, वेरी गुड। अभी हम लोग 2 क्वेश्चन अभी जैसे किए ना, ये फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, सेम वे आई विल गिव 2 more questions completing the square method and then we will discuss the third method, okay?
Okay,
So
sir.
that you will be, all of you will be very comfortable with all the 3 methods. Are you stuck, Akshat, somewhere?
हाँ सर 1 मिनट, एक और बार ट्राई करना है।
No problem, take your time.
सर फैक्टराइजेशन पे करना है या दूसरे से भी कर सकते हो?
Factorization.
Okay, sir.
That's what I told, no? 2 questions by factorizations. Today we have to do 2 questions by completing the square method, and then we will start with the third method today. So 1 questions we have done by factorization method. Tomorrow we will be doing word problems. Karthik, in school, which topic you are doing?
Sure.
In school, what they are doing? Real numbers?
Real numbers, sir. They're still in real numbers.
Still in real numbers. So
Yes,
they
sir.
will
But they are
cover chapter 1 to. You are telling something. Please go ahead. Sorry. They.
yes, sir. Actually, they gave us few sums, worksheet sums, and they actually pretty good, sir. They are pretty good.
Okay. So what I was telling you, huh? So in the school they have planned to cover chapter 1 to 5 before your summer vacation, right?
So 1 to 5 or
Yes, sir.
probability.
मतलब 6
Yes,
chapter,
sir.
1 to 5 in order
Yes,
and
sir.
1 probability.
Yes sir.
Okay. So I think this chapter quadratic is chapter 4, right?
Sir.
Yes sir.
Chapter 4. Arithmetic is I think 2 or 3 maybe
5.
somewhere.
5, sir.
Acha, 5. Okay. After that we will do linear equations.
Sir.
Akshat,
Sir,
is it done?
हाँ sir, done.
Tell me the answer, Akshat.
Sir, x equals to 2 by 5 or x equals to 3 by 8?
X is equals to 2 by 5 or x is equals to 3 by 8. What about you, Swati?
सर मेरे को x 5 by 2 और 8 by 3 है।
जी
अरे
सर।
वाह। हाँ?
हाँ सॉरी
मुझे
सॉरी
x
सॉरी,
by 2 और x equals to 8 by 3.
हाँ
कोई
सॉरी
बात
सर,
नहीं।
मैंने उल्टा बता दिया।
Yes, sir. 5 by 2 or 8 by 3, sir.
यस सर, मैंने
कोई बात नहीं, चेक कर लेते हैं, ठीक है?
सर 5 by 2 and 8 by 3 है सर।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, चेक कर लेते हैं, इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है, हो सकता है तुम्हारा ही आंसर सही हो मे बी। तो द क्वेश्चन सेज हियर दिस इज 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 40 इज इक्वल्स टू 31x। तो सबसे फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है कि इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिख लो। तो दैट व्हाट वी विल डू, फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड वी विल ब्रिंग 31x ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। So you will get 6x square minus 31x plus 40 t is equals to 0, right? Now what we have to do, we have to split the middle terms. So how have you factorized, Swati? Tell me 6x square after that.
The minus 16x minus
Min-
15x.
Minus 16x minus 15x. Have you done the same way, Karthik?
Sir? Yes, sir. Same way.
Middle term, yes. Akshat, you have done the same way, right? Is splitting the middle term.
Sir.
Very good. Now what we have to do, from the first and second term, whatever is common, we have to take the common. So what is common? 2 is common here, right? 2x is common, right? So if I take 2x common inside the bracket, we will get here 3x minus 8. And from the last two terms, you can take minus 5 as common. So inside the bracket, you will get 3x minus 8, and that is equals to 0. Do you understand, Akshat?
Sir.
Now, if you observe carefully, this is 3x minus 8 and this is also 3x minus 8. So 3x minus 8, if you take common, then what will remain here? 2x will remain from here and minus 5 will remain from here. That is equals to 0, right? Now, if two factors are multiplied and it is equals to 0, it means at least one of them has to be 0. So suppose when 3x minus 8 is equals to 0, you will get the value of x is equals to 8 over 3. And same way, when you solve this 2x minus 5 is equals to 0, you will get x is equals to 5 over 2. Are you confused, Akshay? Please tell.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Swati, you understand 100%?
Yes, sir.
Amay, you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Karthik, you got the same answer?
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Very good. So I think factorization method आप याद रहेगा ना, जिंदगी में कभी नहीं भूलोगे ना?
No, sir.
No,
सर ये लोग
Very
सिक्स
good.
से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं
8 में पढ़े होगे, 6 में I don't know whether it was there or not, but in 8th it is there. 8th is there, 9th is also there. 9th में it was just polynomial. They have extended here equation. Equation means you have to solve or find the roots, means you have to find the value of x. So this was about the factorization method. We will take some more questions, but before that, we will take two questions related to completing the square method. So anybody who wants me to revise or all good? Swati, you remember the complete
All good,
process?
sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, Akshat, Amas, Karthik, everyone. So let's take a couple of questions by completing the square method. Do this question. X square minus 3x minus 11 is equals to 0. तो इसमें एक चीज तो आसान हो गया, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर ऑलरेडी 1 है, तो प्रॉब्लम इजी हो गया. टेक योर टाइम, डू इट प्रॉपर्ली.
Sir, done.
Very good, Karthik. You can check your working, everything, plus minus sign. You remember the process, Akshat, completing the square method?
Yes, sir.
Good, do it.
Sir, didn't we do this in the last class?
No.
Sir, we
last
did,
question,
sir,
sir.
like,
Form
sir,
three,
last
sir.
question.
This we have done.
Yes, sir, we have done.
Oh, is it? कोई बात नहीं. बार बार करोगे तो अच्छी बात है ना. It will get fixed in your mind. Done, Akshat? Is it finished? Not yet? All right. Swati, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Is it done?
No, sir.
All right, please do it. Completing the square method. All right, तो everyone एक बार concentrate करो एक बार कैसे होता है. You tell me the answer. Okay, tell me the answer, हमें.
सर मुझे आता है x is equal to 3/2 plus square root of 53/4.
Sir, एक second.
अच्छा
Sir,
ठीक है
3
ठीक.
हो
plus
गया सर,
root
almost
3 by 2.
last.
sir.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक. कर लो 1 मिनट और दे देता हूँ.
सर अभी तो मेरे को सही आ रहा है. सर हो गया.
अच्छी बात है. कर लो अक्षर.
सर एक दिखा दीजिए.
All right. So let's concentrate here. This is a good question. Everyone please concentrate as you are learning something new, completing the square method which is not there in the textbook. तो सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं ना, completing the square method, if you have to do means you have to solve a quadratic equations by completing the square method. You have to first focus on the coefficient of x square. If the coefficient of x square is 1, your life is good, nothing to worry at all. Okay, after that what we have to do, this x square we write as it is, and whatever the x related term is there, that we write as it is. Now we have to add something, and the same thing we have to subtract. So what we have to add, whatever the coefficient of x, we have to take half of that. So half of -3 is -3/2. So square of that is 9/4. So we will add 9/4. But if we are adding something extra in any equations, we have to subtract to compensate it, right? So we will subtract -9/4, and this -11 is as it is, that is equals to 0. Now if you concentrate on the first 3 terms only, if you concentrate on the first term, okay, let me write in a better way, or I hope it is very much visible to all of you. That is nothing but x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Is that all right, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Is that all right, Akshay? Any doubt is
हाँ
there? Shall I
सर
explain one more time how it came x minus 3 by 2 whole square?
नो सर
Very good. Karthik, Amma, have you understood this? Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now remaining is minus 9 by 4 minus 11, that is equals to 0. So which can be written as x minus 3 over 2 whole square minus, this is 44, 54, 53, right? So this is minus 53 over 4, that is equals to 0. Now this minus 53 over 4, if I take to the other side, that will become plus. So x minus 3 over 2 whole square is equals to 53 over 4, right? Yes. Now you remember one important concept which you are learning from class 2. Whenever any variable has got power 2, if you want to remove that power 2, you have to take a square root to the other side, but you have to
प्लस
put,
माइनस
Areva, very good. All of you remember this concept. Good job. So what will happen? X minus 3 by 2 is equals to square root of 53 by 4. That is okay, but we have to put plus minus sign here, right? So which can also be written as x minus 3 by 2 is equals to plus minus square root of 53. You cannot simplify anything further, but square root of 4 can be written as 2. Now we don't want the value of x minus 3 by 2. What we want? We want the value of x. So this minus 3 by 2, if I take to
प्लस
the other side, that will become plus 3 by 2, and this plus minus square root of 53 by 2 is it is, right? So 2 and 2 denominator is same, so this is also written as 3 plus minus root 53 over 2. What does it mean? It means that one value of x is 3 plus root 53 over 2 is one of the root of this equation. Second root is 3 minus root 53 over 2 is the answer.
सर मेरा सेम आंसर आया
Very good then, Akshat.
मुझे
Good
लगा
job.
गलत है
क्यों लगा ऐसा गलत है? कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए ना. You are doing so many questions, so you should develop confidence as well.
सर इतना
Okay.
कॉम्प्लेक्स दिख रहा था
Yeah, what happened, Akshat?
इतना अजीब सा दिख रहा था
दिखने तो ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? दिखने
सर
पे
मैंने
नहीं जाना
बिना
है.
स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 निकाले लिखा 53 by 4
वो तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगेगा ना, दिखने में थोड़ा डरावना लगेगा, राइट? रूट 4 अगर डिनोमिनेटर में है तो यू शुड सिंप्लीफाई इट. मैथ्स का मीनिंग ही होता है ना, एनी आंसर व्हेनेवर यू आर गिविंग यू शुड गिव इन द मोस्ट सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म. Amma, you got the same answer, right? Karthik, did you get the same answer?
Yes, sir. I simplified it.
All right, very good. So everyone is very comfortable with this method as well?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good job. All are doing good. Let's take one more question. Yes, ये वाला करो. अच्छे से करो, आराम से करो. No hurry. ये जो अच्छे से करेगा इसका मतलब they have understood completing the square method. Write each and every step in as detail as possible the way I write it, okay? Everyone write in detail.
Sir, done.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. Good, very fast. Check your calculation.
Sir, done.
100%.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Done.
sir.
All are done. Everyone done, right? All right. Good job. So Akshat, tell me the answer.
Sir, 1/2 comma minus 1/2. Sir, 1/2 comma minus 2.
What is your answer, Aman?
Sir, एक second.
Akshat, have you done by completing the square method?
Sir.
All right. ये गलत लग रहा है मेरे को अक्षत.
तो मुझे x okay.
Akshat, it looks like wrong according to me. Maybe correct. I
तो
need
मुझे
to check
4
it.
आता है x is equals to 4 और x is equals to minus 10 by 4.
4 and minus 10 by
Minus
4.
5
So
by 2,
minus
sir.
5 by 2, right?
Minus
sir,
5 by 2.
same
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Yes. Anyway, we will check it out. Akshat, where it has gone wrong, let's check it out. According to me, this looks wrong, 1 by 2 and minus 2, but we can verify it, okay? So if you look at the equation is given to us as 2x square minus 3x minus 20 equals to 0. What is the first step, Akshat? Are you there, Akshat? All right, he's not there, looks like. So what happens, you remember, Karthik, what is the first step to be done? Whenever
Yes,
the coefficient of x square is not 1, whatever the coefficient is there, we have to take common throughout the equation. So we have to take common throughout the equation. You will get here x square minus 3 upon 2 times x minus 10 is equals to 0. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Akshat, have you done this first step?
Sir.
Very good. After that, this 2 which is multiplied with this x square minus 3 over 2 times x minus 10. So this 2 which is multiplied, if I take to the other side, it will be divided, right, Akshat? So x square minus 3 by 2 times x minus 10 is equals to 0 divided by 2. So 0 divided by 2 is 0 only. Have you written this step, Akshat?
Sir.
Very good. After that, what we have to do, whatever x square is there, that remains as it is. And whatever the x related terms is there, that remains as it is. And the most important part is after this. Whatever the coefficient of x is there, we have to take half of that. So what is half of minus 3 by 2, Akshat?
3 by 4.
Correct.
Minus 3 by 4,
Minus 3.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you take the square of that, what will you get?
9 by 16.
9 by 16.
9 by
Minus 9 by 16.
Sir,
No,
plus
minus
9
9 by it will be
plus
minus.
9 by 16 minus 9 by 16. 9
Okay,
by
very
16.
good. Yes. So here you will get it as plus 9 over 16. You will add from your side and you will subtract the same thing, that is minus 9 over 16, right? And the remaining
Minus
minus
3.
10 is equals to 0 remains as it is. Now if you concentrate on the first three terms,
X
that is
minus
x
3 by 4.
x minus 3 by 4 whole
Whole
square,
square.
you will get. Very good, Akshat. Remaining is minus 9 over 16 minus 10 is equals to 0. So that can also be written as x minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 169 over 16 equals to 0. Have you written this, Akshat, or
Sir.
no?
Sir.
So very good. Till here it is fine. After that, this x minus 3 over 4 whole square is as it is, and minus 169 over 16. If it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 169 over 16. Right, Akshat?
Sir.
Now, very simple concept. In the left hand side, if there is something square, right? If you want to remove this square, you have to take square root to the other side with plus minus sign. So x minus 3 by 4 is equals to plus minus square root of 169 over 16, right, Akshat?
हाँ sir.
All right. So this x minus 3 by 4 is as it is. This plus minus is as it is. What is the square root of 169 over 16, Akshat?
13/4.
Very good job. 13 by 4. Now what happens? We want the value of x. So this minus 3 by 4 we will take to the other side. So it will become plus. So x is equals to 3 by 4 plus minus 13 over 4, right? So what does it mean? It means that you will get two values of x. One value of x is equals to 3 plus 13 over 4. Another value of x is equals to 3 minus 13 over 4, right? So this is nothing but 16 over 4, that is 4. And this is 3 minus 13 minus 10 over 4, that is minus 5 over 2.
5/2.
Minus 5 by 2. All right. Have you understood this question, Swati?
Sir मेरे को वही आया.
Areva, very good. Amma has got the same answer. Karthik, did you get the same answer?
Yes, sir. I got the same answer.
Where it went wrong? Which step?
वो लोग खुद में समझ आना मैंने गलत क्या किया.
Hmm?
आंसर एंड में गलत आ गया बस.
कैसे आ गया? गलत आएगा ही नहीं ना. मतलब एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन कैसे गलत हो सकता है? नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? एनीवे, तो एवरीवन इज नाउ
13/4 लिया. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में मैंने 13 को 5 लिखा है.
अरे वाह, क्या व्हाट ए हैंडराइटिंग, व्हाट एन हैंडराइटिंग.
हैंडराइटिंग कैसे थे?
तुम भी लिखे हो ना 13 को 5, तो इट मींस यू आर नॉट एबल टू रीड योर ओन हैंडराइटिंग, राइट? Swati has also done something similar, I think, recently in a question.
सर मैंने 13 ऐसा लिखा है कुछ.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आप थोड़ा नीटली लिखो, ठीक है? आराम से करो. सर मैं बोलता हूँ ना, मतलब गो स्लो, देयर इज नथिंग टू बी हरी, ओके? एक्यूरेसी इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन स्पीड, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ओके? So I think second method everyone is very comfortable now.
Yes, sir.
All right, we will take one or two more questions in the next sessions, okay? So that you become expert and expert further. Now the last method, yes. So Karthik, you were telling, you know, like if any quadratic equation is given to you, you can solve by formula method, right, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula?
Sir, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Very good. Amma, you have also studied that formula before?
No, sir.
No, okay. No, Akshat, have you heard that formula before?
हाँ सुना है.
सुना हो, अच्छी बात है. स्वाति,
कभी यूज नहीं किया लेकिन.
कभी यूज नहीं किया, आज यूज करोगे ना? तो सबसे पहले मैंने क्या बोला है, ये सबसे इजी मेथड माना जाता है. एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस, सपोज इन जनरल यू आर गिवन एनी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, सो इट विल बी ऑफ द फॉर्म ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, right? So in this case, what happens, if this quadratic equation is given to you, you will just focus on the value of a, b, and c. By looking at the equation, you can easily find it out. What is a, what is b, and what is c. So once you get the value of a, b, and c, you can use one formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Are you getting it? So this formula, if you use, you will get the value of x directly. Are you getting it, Akshay? For example,
बना कैसे?
बना कैसे है? हाँ, वही तो मैं जानना चाह रहा था, मैं बताऊंगा ना अभी.
कभी यूज नहीं किया.
कोई बात नहीं, आज यूज करोगे ना अक्षत.
सर लेकिन 2x No
हाँ
value.
इसीलिए हाँ वेरी गुड स्वाति है ऑल्सो यहाँ पे देखो ना प्लस माइनस है राइट एक बार एक आंसर है तुम्हारा
Oh.
माइनस बी प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac/2a और दूसरा आंसर है माइनस बी माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac/2a so what we will do no just for understanding purpose the same question I will take here and we should get the same answer right so the equation here is given to us as 2x square माइनस 3x और क्या था माइनस 20 equals to 0 right Swati so what we will do we will solve this quadratic equations by formula method and we will see whether we are getting the same answer or not but to solve the quadratic equation by formula method first we list down the values of a and b and c so what is the value of a it is 2 what is the value of b it is minus 3. What is the value of C? It is minus 20. Any doubt still here, Swati?
No, sir.
Very good. Now, after that, what we will do? We will note down the formula, write down the formula that is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole thing divided by 2a. Is that all right, Swati?
Yes, sir.
ऑल राइट तो ये क्या होगा फॉर्मूला ये माइनस सिंबल तो ऐसे ही रह जाएगा बी के जगह क्या आ जाएगा -3 राइट एंड उसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट सिंबल एज इट इज माइन ये बी होल स्क्वायर सो दैट इज -3 होल स्क्वायर -4 टाइम्स ए वैल्यू इज हाउ मच it is 2 so 4 times 2 and the c value is minus 20 right whole thing divided by 2a that is 2 times 2 any confusion anyone till here tell me clearly
No, sir.
Karthik, Amay, Akshat, Swati, no doubt. And one more thing I'm telling all of you, whenever I'm explaining something, whenever I'm writing something, your focus should be only on listening, not on writing. Writing part, you can do it later because you never know what small thing you will miss it. That square symbol, I'm telling you, many of the students still now, when they remove the square, they forget to write the plus minus sign. So these small things you will miss it if you don't focus on listening. Okay, so always focus on listening when teacher is explaining. Writing part you can do it. I'll give enough time. I'm not rushing at all. I told you always, right? I'm the slowest teacher in the world, no? So we'll go slow, but make sure you listen very carefully. So any doubt still here, Akshat, Swati, Amay, Karthik?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
All right. So after that, we will simplify. So minus of -3 is +3, and then this plus minus is as it is. This is square root symbol is as it is. -3 whole square is your 9. -4 into 2 is 8. 8 into
Plus
8 into 20
160.
is 160. So it will become 160 and whole thing divided by 4. Any confusion, Swati, till here?
No, sir.
Very good. So now if you simplify it, this is 3, this is plus minus
Plus
square root of
30.
169
69 by 4.
divided by 4. That is nothing but 3 plus minus 13 divided by 4. So it means that here from here you will get two answers. One of the answer is 3
3
plus
plus 13
13
by 4.
divided by 4. Another
3
answer
minus
is
13
3
by 4.
minus 13 by 4. So when you solve it, 3 plus 13 is 16 by 4, that is 4. And this is 3 minus 13 is minus 10, that is minus 5 by 2.
By 2.
So even if you see by completing the square method, we have got the same answer, 4 and minus 5 by 2. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
इजी है ना ये तो मतलब कुछ नहीं करना आंख बंद करो ए का वैल्यू बी का वैल्यू सी का वैल्यू लिखो उसके बाद फॉर्मूला लिखो फॉर्मूला में वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो सिंप्लीफाई करो यू विल गेट द आंसर ठीक है एनी कंफ्यूजन कार्तिक
No, sir.
हैव यू अंडरस्टूड अमय
Yes, sir.
अक्षत हैव यू अंडरस्टूड
Sir.
स्वाति
Yes, sir.
लेकिन अक्षत को भी एक डाउट था ना, ये फॉर्मूला कहाँ से अचानक से आ गया? कहीं भगवान तो आके नीचे नहीं
सर।
बोले होंगे ना कि डायरेक्टली यूज करो फॉर्मूला एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर, देयर मस्ट बी सम रीजन, राइट? You remember maths is a very logical subject. ऐसा नहीं है ना, there is no exception. Every formula has got proof, logic, right? So anyway, so although it is not important, if anybody wants to know, I'll explain. Do you want to know, Akshat, Amesh, Karthik, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright,
Yes,
चलो ठीक है,
sir.
अच्छी बात है। ध्यान से सुनना। पहले ये बताओ, कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड आता है ना सबको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, sir.
आता है तो हो जाएगा ये। तो कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड से बस यूज करेंगे, काम खत्म हो जाएगा। तो मेरे पास अगर कोई क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है इन जनरल, दैट इज ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इज इक्वल्स टू 0, what is the first step? If the coefficient of x square is 1, well and good. If the coefficient of x square is not 1, we have to take common throughout the equation. So here the coefficient of x square is not 1. In general, it is a. So if I take a as the common, I will get it as x square plus b over a. Everyone focus on listening only. Writing part, you can do it later. So a, if you take common, you will get x square plus b over a times x plus c over a equals to 0. Any doubt still here?
No, sir.
Very good. Now, if you see here, a which is multiplied with this entire thing, that is x square plus b by a times x plus c by a equals to 0. So a which is multiplied, if you take to the other side, it will be divided. So you will get the equation as x square plus b over a times of x plus c over a is equals to 0 over a, that is 0. Any confusion till here? Very
No, sir.
good. बस हो गया, काम खत्म है ना। बस कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड अप्लाई कर लो। तो एक्स स्क्वायर की जगह एक्स स्क्वायर रहने देंगे एंड प्लस बी बाई ए टाइम्स ऑफ एक्स विल रिमेन एज इट इज। नाउ व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट?
सर ये तो एक क्वेश्चन किए थे हम लोग।
सॉरी,
सर इसके ऊपर हम लोग एक क्वेश्चन किए थे
अभी तो किया ना कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर
Yes, sir.
मेथड। So
Yes,
now
sir.
Akshat wanted to know the proof of this formula. So this formula has come from by completing the square method only. That's what I'm explaining. Okay. We are talking about the proof of this formula. The previous question I told you, no, this is the formula to find the value of x directly for any quadratic equations, right? So I'm just explaining the proof of this formula. Okay. Are you getting it? So what
Yes, sir.
happens? X square is as it is plus b over a times x as it is. Akshat, tell me what shall I add and subtract?
Sir, b by 2a square and subtract b by 2a square.
B by 2a whole square and b by 2a whole square we have to add and subtract, right? So we will get here b plus 2a whole square, but if I am adding something, same thing, we have to subtract it to balance it out, right, Akshat?
Yes, sir.
And then plus c by a remains as it is. Plus c by a remains as it is. I hope everybody understand why I have added and subtracted here.
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. Now, if you concentrate on the first three terms, that is x square plus b by a times of x plus b by 2a whole square. If you look at the three terms only, what it can be written, Swati?
Sir, x plus b by 2.
Very good. It will be written as x plus b divided by 2a whole square, right? And this minus b by 2a whole square is as it is. And this plus c by a is as it is, and that is equals to 0. Any confusion, Swati? Why everyone is muted? I don't know.
Sir,
Everyone is
someone is muting me, sir.
Why someone will mute you? Is it possible? I don't think so. It is possible.
Sir, actually, yes, sir. I can mute
हाँ सर यहाँ
Swati,
पे
sir.
म्यूट का है. We can mute people.
Don't mute. अरे ऐसा मत करो यार. मतलब why are you muting others?
I don't know, sir.
Don't mute anyone, please. Swati, unmute yourself. So it is x plus b by 2a whole square. Till here, anybody has any doubt? Please go through from the step 1.
No doubt.
All right. After that, it is very simple. This is square related terms you keep on the left hand
सर
side.
उतना
Rest
बड़ा
all you.
स्क्वायर रूट कैसा है?
स्क्वायर रूट कहाँ है? ये अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है. दिस इज जस्ट अंडरलाइन टू शो यू व्हाट इज द थ्री टर्म्स, व्हाट एवर
नहीं
द थ्री
सर,
टर्म्स.
फॉर्मूला में उतना बड़ा स्क्वायर रूट का.
रिलैक्स. एक बार डीप ब्रेथ लो. आ जाएगा, आ जाएगा. टेक ए डीप ब्रेथ. आएगा. टेंशन नहीं लो. आएगा, आएगा. सब कुछ मिलेगा. सब कुछ आएगा. Till here, is it all right, Akshat?
हाँ सर.
All right. Now what you can do, Akshat, this x plus b by 2a is as it is, right, Akshat? Now this one, what you can do, this is minus b by 2a whole square is there. If you take to the other side, that will become b by 2a whole square. And this plus c by a, when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus c by a. Is that all right?
हाँ सर.
वेरी गुड. इसको और भी सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. x प्लस बी बाई 2a होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू बी स्क्वायर ओवर 4a स्क्वायर माइनस c ओवर a. एनी कंफ्यूजन अक्षर? All right. So this can be written as x plus b by 2a whole square. Now, if you take the LCM of 4a square and a, what
4a
will you
cube,
get?
sir.
Sorry?
4a cube.
4a square only.
Square,
The
sir,
LCM
4a
will be
square.
4a square only. Why will you get cube?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Sir, into 4a. So b square
Yes.
minus 4ac.
So this will become v square minus 4ac. Have you understood, Swati?
Yes, sir. Base मिल रहा है.
Very good. So after that, it is very, very simple. What happens here? This
Root.
is x plus b by 2a whole square was there, right? So if you remove the
इस तरफ ले
square,
जाएंगे.
what will
Plus
happen?
minus root. Plus
Ah,
minus
so when you are removing the square, so what we have learned from class 2,
Sir,
whenever we
plus or minus आ जाएगा.
plus
Very
minus
good.
root.
अच्छी बात है. अब सबको समझ में आ रहा है, राइट? क्यों बड़ा बड़ा रूट आया था, राइट?
Sir.
समझ में आ रहा है ना ये? दैट इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac होल थिंग डिवाइडेड बाई 4a स्क्वायर, राइट?
Which
Now,
will turn into 2a, sir.
that also you can do it right away if you want. This can be written as plus minus in the numerator as b square minus 4ac, and denominator it will just become 2a. Any confusion?
No,
Very
sir.
good. So this is the value of x plus b over 2a, but we are interested in the value of just x. So what we can do, this plus b by 2a, if you take to the other side, you will get x is equals to minus b over 2a, and this is plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole thing divided by 2a. So what happens if you take that 2a common in the denominator? So this 2a will be in the denominator. Numerator you will get minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. So this is the formula. Okay. So whenever you have any quadratic equation, first note down the value of a, b, and c. Once you get the value of a, b, and c, write down the formula. substitute the value of A, B, and C, simplify, you will get two values of X. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अब समझ में आया अक्षर, इतने बड़े बड़े रूट कहाँ से आ जाते हैं अचानक से?
Yes, sir.
अच्छी बात है. Please make a note of it, everyone. You understand
Sir,
any while. अरे तो बोलते हैं ना, साथ में पैरेलल प्रोसेसिंग नहीं करना होता है, एक एक करके पहले समझना होता है, उसके बाद नोट डाउन करना होता है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
also noted, Akshat? Akshat, please make a note of it. This is a very good,
Yes, sir.
important formula. It is not there in the textbook, but you should know it. It is advisable, okay?
Sir, done.
100%.
Yes, sir.
All right, very good.
सर, इतना ज्यादा दिमाग किसका चला था?
इसमें क्या दिमाग क्या लगाना है अक्षर, बताओ कहाँ पे? मतलब हमको तो लग रहा है कि इसमें दिमाग, ये तो सबसे इजी वाला चीज है, क्लास 3 में ये बताया जाता है, राइट? कि कैसे कॉमन लिया जाता है. मैंने कॉमन लिया ए को, बस कुछ नहीं किया ना. इसमें मैंने दिमाग लगाया ही नहीं, बस कॉमन लिया, ऑटोमेटिक सब कुछ आते गया. जो कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग पढ़े थे ना, कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड, बस उसी का कॉपी पेस्ट है. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस फॉर्मूला मेथड? All right,
Yes,
if
sir.
everyone is ready, let's take one or two questions now on the formula method.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, ये डेरिवेशन अच्छे समझ में आ गया? ऐसा नहीं कि
Yes,
किसी ने
sir.
बोला बस ये फॉर्मूला यूज करनी है, ऐसा नहीं है. There is a reasoning behind that, and this is the reasoning in front of you, right? All right. So everyone has noted down. Let's take one simple question. Try to do this question, everyone. Solve by using the quadratic formula. So don't do by factorization method or completing the square method. Directly you can do the formula method. So first list down the value of A, B, and C. After that, write down the formula, substitute. While substituting, be extra careful with plus minus sign and solving it.
Sir, done.
Very good. Others?
Sir, done.
All right, very good. What is your answer, Aman?
Sir, एक second कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. Always do process wise. Write down the value of A, B, and C, then write down the formula, then substitute the value of A, B, and C, then simplify. Always do it step by step.
Sir, हो गया.
अच्छी बात है. Check
मैं
your
note
working,
पे बोल
plus
रहा था.
minus sign spacely. Everyone is done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, tell me the answer, Aman.
Sir, x is equals to 5.
X is equals to
5. हाँ 5.
5. Only one answer. There should be two
And x is
answers.
equals to एक और है sir, x is equals to -1/2.
X is
Sir,
Sir,
equal.
minus 5
X
and
is
1 by
equal
2.
to
Sir, मेरे को
minus 5
minus 5 and 1 by 2
Yes,
है.
sir, -5.
minus 5, sir. Minus
ठीक
5
है,
or
ठीक है,
1
कोई
by
बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स. होता है मिस्टेक.
Minus 5
So what
plus
we
1 by
will do
2.
here, suppose this question is given to us. First, we will write down the value of A, that is 2. We will write the value of B, that is 9. We will write the value of C, that is -5, right? After that, we will write down the formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole thing divided by 2a. Is that all right? And after that, it is very simple. Just plug in the values. So minus 9 plus minus square root of 9 square minus 4 into a into c whole thing divided by 2a. That is 2 times 2. So that what will you get here? Minus 9 plus minus square root of 81 plus 40 divided by 4. After that, it is just minus 9 is as it is, plus minus symbol is as it is. 81 plus 40, if you add it, that is 121 whole thing divided by 4, which can be written as minus 9 as it is, plus minus square root of 121 is 11 whole thing divided by 4, right? So from here you will get two different answers. One of the answer is minus 9 plus 11 by 4, that is 2 by 4, that is 1 over 2, right? Next answer you will get minus 9 minus 11 over 4, that is minus 20 over 4, that is minus 5. Okay, so the correct answer is x is equals to minus 5 and x is equals to 1 by 2. Did you get the same answer, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Did you get the same answer, Akshay?
Sir.
Did you get the same answer, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Where it went wrong, Amay? Where plus
सर
minus
रॉन्ग
symbol?
नहीं हुआ था सर. मैं क्या बोलते इक्वल टू का इक्वल टू माइनस 5 समझा था.
अच्छा, अपना हैंडराइटिंग खुद नहीं पढ़ते, और क्या चाहिए बताओ. ये क्या कर रहे हो सब लोग? पेयर्ड विथ स्वाति, ये अक्षत पेयर्ड विथ कार्तिक, क्या हो रहा है ये? व्हाट इज
I
पेयरिंग?
don't know, sir.
अक्षत, यू आर डूइंग समथिंग.
नहीं सर, उसके
सर हैकर
बीच
से
भी Oh,
Don't do it, okay? Please concentrate. We are learning new things, right? We are learning new things. No focus here, okay? Let's take one more question on the formula method. Be extra careful with the calculations. Be extra careful with the calculations part. Please do it properly.
Sir, done.
100%.
Yes, sir.
All right, others, please do it.
सर हो गया.
All right. Everyone, please finish it off.
सर हो गया.
All right.
सर हो गया सर.
All right. This time, tell me, Akshat.
X equals to 2 by 3.
X is equals to 2 by 3. And then two answers should be there, right?
Sir, 1.
Okay, one of the answer is 1. Did you get, everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's check it out. So first thing what we have to do, we have to write down the value of A, B, and C. So A is 3, B is minus 5, and C is 2, right? After that, we have to note down the formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole thing divided by 2a. So what will you do here? Now you will substitute the value. So minus of minus 5 and then plus minus symbol, then square root symbol, minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a into c, and then whole thing divided by 2a, that is 2 times 3. So this can be written as minus of minus 5 is plus 5, then this is plus minus square root
25.
25. This is minus 24 whole thing divided by 6. Everyone is clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now this can be written as 5. This is plus minus square root of 1 whole thing divided by 6. That is nothing but 5 as it is. Plus minus square root of 1 is 1 whole thing divided by 6. So from here you will get two values of x. One of the value is 5 plus 1 over 6, that is 6 over 6, that is 1. Another one is 5 minus 1 over 6, that is 4 over 6, that is 2 over 3. Very good. So everyone had got the correct answer. Good job. So I assume everyone has understood this method as well. Have you understood, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood, Aman?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood, Akshat? Akshat, you are doing something. Please take care. Akshat,
समझ गया, sir.
Karthik, have you understood this method?
Yes, sir.
क्लास में
I think
एक और ए वाला कोई है, वो मेरे को फंसा रहा है.
क्या कर रहे हो यार, मतलब ये कैसे इसे बताए? Please don't get disturbed these things, otherwise class will not be very useful, right? Please concentrate. मैं जान निकल जाता है मेरे को इतना लंबा क्लास लेने में और तुम लोग खेलते रहते हो. Please concentrate, ठीक है? So have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक और क्वेश्चन लोगे?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right, take this question, everyone, please. Please do it properly.
Sir, done.
All right, everyone, please do it.
Sir, हो गया.
All right, please check plus minus sign, Swati.
Sir, done.
Sir, done, sir.
All right, Swati will tell the answer this time. Tell me, Swati.
Sir, 1 or minus 3 by 2.
1 and minus 3 by 2. Everyone got the same answer?
हाँ, sir.
All right, very good. So if we have to do this question, how we will do? First, we will write down the value of A, that is 4, then the value of B, that is 2, then the value of C, that is minus 6. After that, we will write the formula, that is x is equals to minus B plus minus square root of B square minus 4AC whole thing divided by 2a. Yes or no? So that can be written as -2, then this plus minus symbol, that is square root of 2 square minus 4 into A. A is your 4 and C is your -6, right? This is -6 and then whole thing divided by 2A, that is 2 times of 4, right? Then what we will do, -2 is as it is, this is plus minus square root of this 2 square is 4 and this is 96, I think, right? Yes, plus 96 whole thing divided by 8. Anyone has any doubt still here?
No, sir.
Very good. So after that, we can write it as -2 as it is, plus minus square root of 100 whole thing divided by 8. That can also be written as -2 as it is, plus minus square root of 100 is 10 whole thing divided by 8. From here, you will get two different values of x. One of the value of x is -2 plus 10 whole thing divided by 8. Another value of x is -2 minus 10 whole thing divided by 8. That is 8 over 8. That is 1. And this is nothing but -12 over 8. That is -3 over 2. Yes. So everyone has got the correct answer.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Any
No, sir. No doubts.
doubts, Akshat?
Nice, sir.
Any doubt, Aman?
No, sir.
Any doubt, Karthik?
No, sir.
All right. So I think everyone is comfortable with the three methods, right?
Yes, sir.
All
sir.
right. सब लोग मिस्चीफ क्यों हो गया, मतलब क्या कर क्या रहा है सब लोग आज? What are you doing, Aman?
सर कुछ नहीं सर.
Why are you muting and muting everyone like this? Don't do it, right? Please concentrate. All right. Actually, one more important thing is that using this formula, there is a concept application of it. Okay. So do you want to take today, or I think it will be late? So we will do one more on this. Two more sessions we'll take. Okay. One, we will do application of this formula method, and then we will do the word problems. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. तो आज वाले सारे क्लियर हैं कॉन्सेप्ट, कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
No,
Nice,
sir.
sir.
All right. Most important thing, completing the square method, although it is not in your syllabus, but please understand it's very, very, very important. It will be used multiple times. So be very thorough with it. And the proof also, you should be comfortable now, right? Everyone has noted down this proof.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
So after the class, at least try to prove yourself this formula at least twice. At least twice. If you do more, it is better. But at least 2 times you try to prove this formula. In case if you don't get, you can look back and then you can try again. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. तो अभी तक का क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन अगर किसी के पास कोई भी क्वेश्चन का डाउट है तो you can ask. Otherwise, we can wind up.
No, sir.
कोई डाउट नहीं है सर.
100% clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. तो wind up करें.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Chalo then. See you in the next sessions. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thanks for
sir.
teaching.
Bye, sir.
Bye.